So Mass just ended. We missed church. Feel really sad, but my husband was sleeping and I didn't want to go without him. So, but it rang for a good, let me see, it started at 45. I can't see. So it rang for a good 5-10 minutes. I can't see where the big hand is. Anyway, isn't that beautiful? I wonder, how do the locals here, or people who live here, how do they, like, do they become just immune to it? Like, do they just not hear it anymore? It's pretty. I still love it. I mean, it's not something I get to listen to all the time, so. But yeah, just wanted to share. That was like towards the end. It was really loud a minute ago. Anyway, I was hoping I could catch all of it, but I missed it. Anyway, all right, bye.